I am reeling from the Supreme Court's callous decision to uphold the 1864 total abortion ban. This archaic law, which was written by men 48 years before Arizona even became a state, threatens the lives of countless women and strips us of control over our bodies. Today seems like a dark day, but I assure Arizona women that the fight for our reproductive freedoms is far from over.
Welcome back to GMA3. That is Arizona Governor Katie Hobbs reacting to the state Supreme Court decision to enforce a 160-year-old near total abortion ban, predating the state's existence, as you heard her mention, and women's right to vote.
It is a hot topic. The governor, a Democrat, immediately calling for the ban to be repealed, but that effort was just blocked by Arizona Republicans. And joining us today from Phoenix is Arizona Governor Katie Hobbs. Good to see you.
Hello.
All right, Madam Governor, first your reaction and what happens next?
Well, as you played in that clip, I am reeling from this decision, and I know Arizonans across the state are. It's a near total ban, no exceptions for rape or incest, and this is dangerous for women in our state. So I did immediately call for the legislature to repeal this ban. Not only that, but to protect IVF and guarantee access to contraception, because we know those are under attack as well. And as you mentioned, Republicans in the legislature blocked that action yesterday. So I'm going to continue to call for that repeal. In the meantime, my executive order that I issued last year protects women and doctors from prosecution from overzealous prosecutors were under this ban.
I'm curious to hear your reaction. Former President Donald Trump told supporters in Georgia yesterday that he thinks this ban goes too far and that as governor, you'll straighten it out. What's your response to that?
I'm kind of tired of cleaning up Donald Trump's messes. But look, this is just political opportunism from these politicians who they are getting exactly what they wanted. Donald Trump bragged about getting rid of Roe v. Wade, and this is the consequence of that. And here in Arizona, some politicians are saying, politicians who have voted for abortion bans in the past are saying that this ruling goes too far, and yet they celebrated the Dobbs decision, which absolutely paved the way for this week's Arizona Supreme Court decision.
So, Madam Governor, if this ban ends up being enforced, how soon could it take effect?
There's still a lot of uncertainty, but I think for at least the next 45 days, the stay on the ban is extended. We're not sure what's going to happen in court. I assume this will be back in court. There are some claims that were not ever litigated at the trial court level, and it could drag out for years. But the bottom line is we can't wait for that. This is creating uncertainty and chaos for people in Arizona. The legislature should just repeal this ban so that there's clarity and people can get the care that they need, and doctors won't go to jail for providing that care.
And that's the next question there. So what's being done right now to ensure that women do get the care that they need?
Well, I'm going to continue to call for the legislature to do the right thing for Arizona and repeal this ban. And again, I mentioned that executive order that protects that prevents overzealous county attorneys from prosecuting under this ban. And I'm thankful that in November, Arizonans will have the opportunity to weigh in on this and enshrine the right to abortion in our state's constitution with a ballot measure that I am confident will pass. I am going to do everything in my power to support it. And I urge folks to join us at ArizonaForAbortionAccess.org.
Arizona Governor Katie Hobbs, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.